Your guide to a fast ITIN application process.
Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive guide about the Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN, application process. Today, we'll be discussing the essential documents required for a fast ITIN application process.
What is an ITIN?
An Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, or ITIN, is a tax processing number issued by the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to individuals who are required to have a U.S. taxpayer identification number but who do not have, and are not eligible to obtain a Social Security number, SSN.
Who needs an ITIN?
ITINs are issued regardless of immigration status because both resident and non-resident aliens may have U.S. tax return and payment responsibilities under the Internal Revenue Code.
What are the required documents?
When applying for an ITIN, you'll need to provide some key documents. These include 1. Form W-7. This is the IRS application form for an ITIN. Make sure all details are correctly filled out to avoid delays in the process. 2. Federal tax return. Attach your original federal tax return unless you qualify for an exception. The ITIN is meant for tax purposes, so the IRS needs to see why you need an ITIN. 3. Proof of identity and foreign status. The IRS requires a document that verifies both your identity and your foreign status. Usually, a valid passport satisfies both requirements. If you don't have a passport, you can provide 2 or more of the following. 4. National identification card. Must show photo, name, current address, date of birth, and expiration date. 5. U.S. driver's license 6. Civil birth certificate 7. Foreign driver's license 8. U.S. state identification card 9. Military identification card 10. Visa 11. U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, photo identification.
How to submit the documents?
Once you have all your documents ready, you can submit them in one of 3 ways. 1. Mail. You can mail your W-7 form, tax return, and proof of identity documents to the IRS. 2. In person. You can choose to use the services of an IRS-authorized Certified Acceptance Agent, CAA, or make an appointment at a designated IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center. 3. Foreign IRS offices. Certain foreign IRS offices also accept ITIN applications. Always remember, the IRS does not accept photocopies or notarized copies of documents. You need to send the originals or copies certified by the issuing agency. And that wraps up our guide on the documents required for a fast ITIN application process. Getting these documents ready before you start your application can help expedite the process. As always, remember that the requirements can change, so it's always a good idea to check the latest guidelines on the official IRS website. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you the best in your ITIN application process.